How many times do I have to say this? If you are under the age of 13 and or easily offended, please do not watch this video. Seriously, do not watch this video.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Steady, are you ready? Are you ready?
Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft!
You know I had to flex.
Welcome to the suite. That's why hear them saying, baby, bring the bounce back. Say who gon' send my way? Say who gon' send my way? Say who gon' send my way? However do you want me? However do you want me? 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 Hot boy, better give me what I need. When he in his body like a throwback, and he better not move when I throw it back. Baby, keep me wetter than I buy you.
She said what?
Turn my own. However do you want me? However do you need me? Bring that bounce back.
This video is over now. Over now.
Steady, are you ready? Are you ready? What's going on? Welcome to the city where it's sweet. You know I'll be taking back.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! He's so fluffy!
Hear them saying, baby, bring the bounce back. Now say who gon' send my way? Come right, alright, baby. However do you feeling I'm the girl up in his dreams. Hot boy, better give me what I need. When I throw it back, baby, keep me wetter than I buy you. If you don't, I'ma walk right by you. Say who gon' send my way?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Come right, alright, baby. Say who gon'